Hello, in front of me I've got FC26. In this video I'll show you all passes tutorial. Let's start with standard pass. You perform it by pressing X button. Now, cross. You perform it by pressing square. And through pass, you perform it by pressing triangle or Y. Now, let's mix a little bit. Press R1 plus X to perform driven ground pass. Driven ground pass is stronger than normal pass. Press X twice to perform lofted ground pass. Same for through pass. Press triangle twice to perform lofted through pass. Next, you can press L1 and hold, and triangle to perform lobbed through pass. Now, press and hold L1 plus R1 and press square to perform driven lob pass. Next, you can press and hold L1 plus square to perform high lob. Also, you can press square twice to perform ground cross. For ground cross, your teammate has to be a little bit further. In this combination you can also use L1 plus R1 for driven ground cross. Next, you can perform dummy pass. To perform it, press pass and press and hold R1. Thanks to this combination, your teammate will let the ball go. Next, let's perform flare pass. In order to perform it, press and hold L2 and pass. It can be flare pass, flare shot and flare lob. Also, you can perform flare through pass. And that's basically it for passing. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.